Missing a tooth or two can take a toll on your confidence, but dental repairs can be expensive. That's where the DIY Denture Kit comes in. Sold on Amazon and priced around $39 to $80 per count at the time of this review, this at-home solution claims to help users craft customized partial dentures without stepping into a dental office. But is it legit, and does it actually work? Let's break it down. What's included in the kit? This DIY Denture Kit offers a complete set of materials needed to create your own partial dentures from home. The kit includes premium quality resin and is compatible with mold plaster to help form a natural-looking, snug fit. Designed for both men and women, it's especially helpful for replacing one or several missing teeth in a simple and affordable way. Key features: custom fit. Materials allow for molding and reshaping to suit your smile. Reusable components. Tweak the fit until you're happy with the final result. Easy instructions. Simple. Step-by-step guidance for first-time users. Affordable option. A budget-friendly alternative to dental office visits. Unisex design. Suitable for both men and women, including Spanish-speaking users looking for dientes postizos para mujer. Customer feedback. On Amazon, the product has received a 3.0 out of 5-star rating based on 8 customer reviews. While some users are pleased with the convenience and price, others mention the learning curve and the need for patience when shaping. The dentures. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You'll need time and effort to achieve the right fit. Is the DIY Denture Kit worth it? If you're looking for a temporary or cosmetic fix, the DIY Denture Kit could be a worthwhile investment. It offers a do-it-yourself option that's easy on the wallet and gives users full control over the outcome. However, for long-term solutions or permanent tooth replacements, professional dental care is still recommended. Final verdict: the DIY Denture Kit is legit for those who are willing to be patient and follow the instructions carefully. While it may not replace professional dentures entirely, it's a practical and cost-effective solution for anyone wanting to restore their smile at home.